Hello everyone and welcome to Array. So, we have already covered 3 theory videos for professional knowledge. I hope you have understood those topics well. Since revision is very important, we have brought this MCQ series to help you revise. Along with the ongoing professional knowledge video series, we will be having MCQ based series for revision. This is video number 1 covering MCQs on topic you have already read. It is based on these 3 videos. It has 25 questions and everyone should get complete 25 marks. Question number 1. Integrated circuits primarily improved computers by, and the right answer is option number B. Integrated circuits belong to generation number 3 and it is an improvement on generation number 2 as it combines multiple transistors onto a single chip. Question number 2. The first microprocessor, marking the start of the fourth generation of computer, was very simple. Free marks if you remember video 1 theory. The answer is option number B. Question number 3. The binary equivalent of the decimal number 37 is, the right answer is option number A. So, how do you convert a binary equivalent to a decimal number? Keep dividing by 2 till you get 0 as quotient. Here is the complete solution. So keep dividing the number by 2 till you get 0 as quotient. And then you have to read the remainder from bottom to top. So 100101 is the right answer. Question number 4. The hexadecimal equivalent of the binary number 10110010 is, the right answer is option number E. In hexadecimal, you have to form a group of 4 starting from right. 0010 is group number 1 and 1011 is group number 2. And then you have to write its value. 1011 is 11, which is written B in hexadecimal, and 0010 is 2. So the answer is B2. Question number 5. A nibble is how many bytes? The right answer is option A. Remember, a nibble is 4 bits and 1 byte is 8 bits. So nibble is zero point 0.5 bytes. Question number 6. Convert the octal number 17 to its decimal equivalent. The right answer is option number D. Octal means 8. So you have to multiply the number with power of 8 starting from right. So we have written 17 here. Now starting from right, this will be multiplied by 8 to the power 0, then 8 to the power 1. 8 to the power 0 is 1. So 1 into 7 and 8 to the power 1 is 8. So 8 into 1. So 8 into 1 plus 1 into 7. 8 plus 7, which is 15 in decimal. Question number 7. Binary subtraction of 1000 minus 0011 is, the answer is option A. Remember 2's complement? Here's a complete solution. The number written after minus 0011, we will find its 2 complement. So we will flip the bits. 0011 becomes 1100. Then you have to add 1. So 1100 plus 0001 is 1101. Then you have to add this number to 1000. So 1000 plus 1101. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is, you have to write 0 and this is the carry forwarded bit. Remember, we have to discard this leading carry bit in subtraction. So the answer is 0101, which is written 5 in decimal. You can also match the answer by converting both of these numbers into decimal, 1000 and 0011, and then subtracting. The answer should be 5. Question number 8. Which unit of the CPU is responsible for performing logical operations? The right answer is option number C, ALU, which stands for Arithmetic and Logical Unit. Question number 9. The architecture in which program instructions and data are stored in the same memory is known as. The right answer is option number B. Simple question. We have already discussed all of these topics before, so I hope you are able to solve them easily. Question number 10. The bus used to carry the memory address from the CPU to memory is called the. The right answer is address bus. What does a data bus carry? Actual data and instructions. And what does a control bus carry? Control signals like read, write, clock signals. Question number 11. Which register holds the address of the next instruction to be executed? The right answer is option number A, program counter. Registers, important topic. You must know the functionality of all these registers. Question number 12. Starting a computer from a completely powered off state is known as. The answer is option number D, cold boot. Remember, when the machine has no power, it is completely cold. So that is why cold boot is the right answer. Question number 13. Post, performed during the booting process, stands for. The right answer is option number A, power on self test. I hope you remember the boot sequence. So here's a question on it. Question number 14. Which of the following correctly orders the steps of the booting process? The right answer is option number D. Remember the booting sequence. First, the system is powered on. Then, BIOS is the very first software that runs. Then, post, it checks essential hardware is present and functioning. Then, the bootloader, and then OS loads. Question number 15. The modern firmware standard that has largely replaced traditional BIOS, offering faster boot and support for larger storage drives, is called. The right answer is option B, UEFI, which stands for Unified Extensible Firmware Interface. Question number 16. Which of the following correctly represents the standard sequence of the instruction cycle? Simple question. Actually, all are simple. The right answer is option number C, fetch, decode, execute. Question number 17. ARM processors commonly used in smartphones are based on which CPU design philosophy? The right answer is option number B, RISC, which stands for Reduced Instruction Set Computer, which are actually small set of instructions. They have simple hardware design, generally faster and more power efficient than CISC. Question number 18. The technology used in second generation computer was. The right answer is option number B, transistors. Vacuum tubes, generation 1. Transistors, generation 2. Integrated circuits, generation 3. Microprocessors or VLSI, generation 4. Question number 19. Which device is primarily used by banks to read the special characters printed on check? The right answer is MICR, Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. Reads character printed with magnetic ink used exclusively for reading the number on checks. Question number 20. Which of the following is not an input device? The right answer is option number C. Plotter is an output device. It is similar to printer and used for high precision drawings or engineering drawings. Question number 21. Which type of printer is capable of producing multiple carbon copies simultaneously, making it common for multi-part billing forms? Printers, important topic. The right answer is dot matrix printer, option number D. Question number 22. The printer commonly used in ATMs and billing counters to print receipts. The right answer is option number E, thermal printer. Uses heat to produce image on heat sensitive paper. Question number 23. A laser printer uses which of the following substances to form the printed image before it is fused onto paper? The right answer is option number B, toner, which is a powder and not liquid ink. Question number 24. Which of the following printer types is an example of a non-impact printer? Remember, we have read three impact printers and three non-impact printers. And the answer is option number B, inkjet printer, which is a non-impact printer. Line printer, daisy wheel, dot matrix, all are impact printers. Question number 25. Which port is capable of transmitting both video and audio signals through a single cable? The right answer is option number C, HDMI, which stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. It transmits both video and audio into monitors or projectors. What is VGA? It is Video Graphics Array. Only video port, no audio. So we have already covered 25 questions. Here is one last bonus question. RJ45 connectors are primarily used for, and the right answer is option number C. RJ45 stands for registered jack 45 and it is most commonly used in wired networks. So this was the end for MCQ video 1. We will bring more MCQ series as we cover more theory topics. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you have any queries, and if you still haven't subscribed the channel, please do it so that you do not miss any upcoming video. Thank you and keep watching Array.